Welcome to our tour of the University Platform Interfaces. In this video, we'll explore the core features of this academic platform. The front-end and back-end code is available on GitHub, with comprehensive endpoint documentation in both Arabic and English. Find the link in the video description. Let's get started.
We begin with the homepage of EduConnect, your gateway to a vibrant university community. As you can see, it displays the Unisocial logo and navigation links for messages, profile, blog, registration, and login. The Join Now button invites you to sign up, while the Our Mission section outlines the platform's goals. Community announcements keep you informed. On mobile, the menu button ensures smooth navigation, making the experience seamless. Now let's move to the registration page. Enter your first and last name, email, and a strong password as shown. Select your major or add a profile picture to showcase your identity. Click Register to create your account, or navigate to the login page if you're already a member. On mobile, the menu button simplifies navigation. This page is your first step toward academic engagement. Let's review the login page. Enter your email and password, then click Login to access your account as demonstrated in the video platform. After logging in, we head to the profile page, a mirror of your academic identity. It displays your photo, name, email, major, and skills as shown. Click Edit Profile to update your details or add a new photo. Below, your posts are listed with options to edit or delete them. On mobile, the menu button opens links smoothly. This page reflects your contributions. Now, the post creation page. Enter a captivating title and write your content using the toolbar to add headings, lists, or mathematical equations, as shown in the video. Upload an image or insert its URL with real-time previews. Click Save to publish your creation. On mobile, the menu button ensures easy navigation. This page is your tool for sharing knowledge. Let's review the Edit Post page. It displays the post's current details, like title, content, and image URL, as shown. Update the title or content, or add a new image, then click Save Changes to confirm edits. You can cancel and return to the post management page. On mobile, the responsive design ensures smooth navigation. Let's explore the Post Details page. It displays the post's title, image if available, and formatted content, along with the author's name and publication date, as you see. Add a comment with formatted text or mathematical equations like E equals MC squared with instant previews. Comments are listed with their dates. On mobile, the menu button aids navigation. This page is the hub for engaging with ideas. We move to the messaging page. Select a contact from the sidebar or search for a user using the search bar, as illustrated. The conversation displays sent and received messages, and you can write and send a new message with a click. Messages update automatically to keep you informed. On mobile, the menu button opens links seamlessly. This page is your bridge for communication. Let's take a look at the admin dashboard. Here, the admin views their profile, including photo, name, email, major, and skills as displayed. Click Edit Profile to update details. The sidebar provides links to manage users and posts. On mobile, navigation links are clear within the responsive design. Now, the user management page. Search for a user using the search bar or browse the table displaying photo, ID, name, email, major, skills, and role as shown. Perform actions like editing, messaging, or deleting, and add a new user with a click. Admin's tool for organizing the community.
Finally, the admin messaging page. Choose a user from the sidebar or search for them using the search bar, as shown in the video. Conversations display sent and received messages, with options to write a new message or delete previous ones. Messages update automatically for ongoing interaction. On mobile, the menu button aids navigation. This page is the admin's communication hub. Let's review the Edit User Details page. Enter the first and last name, email, major, skills, and photo URL as shown. Select the user's role from the drop-down, then click Save Changes to update the details. You can cancel or return to the user management page.
Let's explore the post management page. The table displays the post's ID, title, image, author, and creation date, as you see. Click Create New Post to add content or perform actions like viewing, editing, or deleting. Manage comments via a pop-up window to add or edit them easily. On mobile, the responsive design ensures smooth navigation. This page is the admin's tool for content management.
Now the Post View page. It displays full post details, including title, image, content, and author as shown. Click View Comments to review comments or add a new one via a pop-up. You can edit or delete the post with a click. On mobile, the responsive design simplifies navigation. This page is the hub for managing post content.